How to download and install Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Whether if you are on Android mobile device or your tablets, downloading the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game is super simple. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and open your Play Store. Now, in the search bar, type in Beach Buggy Racing 2. Once you search for the app, look for the application, which looks like this from Vector Unit. Make sure that it is the right application. And then once you do that, click on Install. Now wait for the application to install on your device. It'll take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Just make sure you are connected to a stable internet. Once the game installs, you can tap on the play button to open the game. Right after you do that, you've successfully downloaded and installed the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.